I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to take a look at those fancy wrap bouquets with the Korean wrap. And we're going to be featuring our homegrown tulips that we grow here in Plymouth, Minnesota for Bush Flower Farms. This is an 18 stem bunch that comes with 3 colors, and so I have started to prep these tulips, but I'm just going to show you on these two. What I'm doing is taking off the foliage that's below the bind point. And for me, I'm going to think of my hand, this C portion where I'm going to hold the hand-tied bouquet, that's the bind point. And so want to think about how that tulip lays in your hand and take those pieces of foliage off that are going to be below that bind point. Then we're just going to start by simply coming in, doing a spiral technique where we come in horizontally. Oh, I kind of want to rotate colors horizontally and then tip it up. So I'm going to kind of do one side of the bouquet here. I'm just alternating colors and taking one side. We're going to go in, and that's about half my tulips there. Then I'm going to come in. I am going to add a little bit of lily grass. Is going to add some whimsy into this bouquet, and we're just going to lay a couple pieces in at a time. Now I'm going to come in and use my other hand and twist it. So now I'm going to be coming in and doing the second portion. So this is my other half. So we're just going to come in, lay it in horizontally, and tip it in so you can see how those stems will spiral as you're going. And just kind of keep doing a slight turn. There I have a piece of foliage that's below, and so we want to pull that off. And you can see how we're just coming together, and we know that tulips continue to grow once they, or after they've been cut off the plant. So they're all going to kind of sprout out naturally like this. And that's where I like the lily grass, where it kind of stretches it out. Increases the value perception on this just by adding some of that additional dimension and whimsy to this bouquet. So there's our start, and then we're just going to come in and use a little piece of the bind wire, and this one here I'm going to fold it over and just come in. I wrap it on one of my fingers, come around. And because the tulip stems are quite soft, I am not going to do a really tight bind. So I'm just going to come in and loosely bind those together and leave that bind wire exposed so the customer, like as they go, when they pull it off the wrap, you can see how naturally that spreads out into a beautiful bouquet. So our next step in our process is to do the wrap. So next we're going to prepare the Korean wrap. And so we're just going to come in. We have 3 pieces that are all lined up together. And we're going to come in and just get it so that the points are even. So I kind of use my fingers as a measuring tool. You can see there, 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 and there. They're all about the same distance. So now I'm gonna fold these all at one time. I'm gonna use the back of my knife here to get a good fold. And so folding them all at one time will increase your efficiency and also just add to the uniformity on it. Then we're gonna separate those 3 sheets into 3 different pieces. So we have that, and then our next one, if I get it apart. Okay, so now that I have the 3 sheets separated, I'm gonna line them up. So this comes with this corner here, and this comes with this corner here. And then just for a little bit of cheat action, I am gonna do a little bit of tape on the inside here, just so it stays together. It's a little bit easier for me to get my roll started. And then we'll come in with our tulip bouquet. And so we're gonna line our tulips up with the line of that second sheet there. And the first piece rolls up like this, comes in, and then you start to bring the bouquet together. And fold it around so you can see how that's going to present together. And so we've got it here. So once we're to this point, we're going to gather it together a little bit, and then we're going to come in with our ribbon, and it's folded over. I'm going to grab the two pieces here, try to get it up a little higher onto your wrap so that it binds it. We pull it tight, and then we're going to separate these two pieces of ribbon and take them both the opposite way and have them come together to do that tie off. And so we're coming here and then getting that tight, and you can tie a square knot or a shoelace knot with the beautiful ribbon, and that's a great finish. So you see I have a couple of wild pieces here that are coming up. So you could do a glue dot or just add some of the transparent tape to just kind of bring those together down on the base. And different size bouquets, sometimes you bind it up a little bit higher, but with our tulips here, you can see that great presentation. We have that whimsy that comes with the lily grass, and it's a beautiful way to present our Bush Flower Farms locally grown tulips in that fancy Korean wrap. So I hope you'll bring this in for your customers and let them enjoy it.